starting. Good morning, all of you, all participants. Good morning. Okay. Today we are starting your new chapter, that is chapter number 5th. Okay. Today this is first class which I am taking of chapter of your science subject, and I am teaching you now the chapter periodic classification of elements. Okay. So just we see today the concept of what are the different definitions, or in the previous chapter, in the previous class, 9th class, we have already taught about some definitions about compounds, elements, mixture. Just only we recap of these definitions today. Okay. So anybody can tell me what are the matter? What is the matter? Anybody of you can tell me the definition of matter? First, all of you on your videos, all of you, all candidates, your two participants are on your videos. Okay. Tell me the definition of matter. Anybody, can you tell me? Simran, Rishi, any idea about the matter? Whatever in your mind you can tell me. Okay. Just I am not asking you the correct definition.
Anything?
Yes.
That has some mass and volume.
Mass and volume. Yes. You can say this type of definition also of matter. But whatever we can see around us, these include in the matter. जो आपके आसपास सराउंडिंग में जो भी चीजें आप देखते हो, things, whatever the surrounding things are there, we include it is in matter. So matter, it is in 3 states. What are the 3 states of matter?
Liquid,
Solid, liquid and gas. Okay, gases. These are the 3 states of matter. Then what is the main classification of matter? Can anybody tell me how the matter is classified? In which substances? There are 2 types of substances in which matter is classified. Pure substances and what is another thing? Just I have given the hint of you. Hint for that. Pure substances, one thing. This is the classification of matter. Pure substance and mixtures. Okay. So matter is classified into pure substance and in mixtures. Okay. So this is the classification of matter. Matter is classified into 2 parts, that is pure substances and mixtures. So again the pure substances are classified into 2 parts. Can anybody tell me what are the 2 parts of the pure substances? These elements and compounds. So I have written here, I am writing here, see, matter is classified into pure substance and mixtures. Okay, and again pure substance is classified into 2 parts, that is elements and compounds. Elements and have you heard the name of periodic table? It is related to chemistry. Have you heard the name of periodic table or not?
No, ma'am.
Okay, so in this chapter we have to read, or we have to thorough study of periodic table. So in that periodic table, how the elements, different elements are there. There are 118 elements are there. So these elements are classified, or according to some, see, I am showing you the periodic table. See, this is the periodic table. So we have to study in this chapter about the periodic table. This is the periodic structure picture. Okay. So for studying this periodic structure, it is very important to know how the elements are classified in that periodic table. Okay. So for this, just we revise this definition. What is meant by elements? What is meant by compounds? What are the mixtures? Okay. When we see this general idea about that, we can follow how the elements are classified, because you know the names of some metals and non-metals. Okay. So there are different properties of each substance. सभी substance एक जैसे रहते हैं क्या? No. All the substances are different different properties. So we have to group them in one group, that is the similar substances. The substances which are having similar properties, we keep it in one group, and the substances which are in different properties, which we keep it in another group. So that type of roughly arrangement is given in the periodic table. Suppose we take the example of metals. Okay, metals means dhatu. In Hindi it is, we called it dhatu, and adhatu means non-metals. So what are the different on your videos, all of you, otherwise I will stop the teaching. See, metals. Metals are, what are the examples of metals? Can anybody tell me?
Iron, aluminium.
Yes, iron, aluminium, gold, copper.
Titanium.
Yes, yes. These are the metals. And what are the non-metals? Those substances which are sodium. Those substances which are not showing the properties of metals, they are somewhat different from that metals, that we call that non-metals. It includes some gases in that non-metals also. Okay, some non-gases are included in non-metals also. So the properties, roughly we see the metal. If we see the metal, iron or gold or copper, what we observe from that outer characteristics or physical properties? What is meant by physical properties or chemical properties? I think you studied in the previous chapters. Yes?
We can see that.
Okay. Physical property means outer behavior, or the physical properties means whatever we can see from our eyes. That is the physical properties. It is included in that shape, size. Okay. These are included in the physical property. जो भी उसका shape दिख रहा है, size दिख रहा है, we called it physical properties. And what is meant by chemical properties?
Which is in a reaction.
Reaction. Okay. Means whatever in that substance, if two substances are mixed.
Property.
Yes. When two substances are mixed, any new substance is formed. We call this chemically all the properties from the reactant. Suppose we take the two substances, we mix it, कोई third substance उससे form हो रहा है. Okay. And the third substance which is formed, all the properties of that third substance is totally changed from the previous or the reactants. Okay.